When we talk about decorating for Easter, we are talking about much more than simply adding a few colorful ornaments to the house. Easter decorations create an atmosphere that celebrates renewal, joy, and the arrival of spring. For many families, decorating becomes a meaningful tradition that transforms the home into a warm and welcoming space filled with life, color, and positive energy. It is one of those moments in the year when creativity and symbolism come together, and even the smallest decorative details can make a home feel festive and inspiring. One of the most important things about Easter decorating is the way it marks the transition from winter to spring. After months of cold weather and darker tones in home decor, Easter offers the perfect opportunity to introduce lighter colors, fresh textures, and cheerful elements. Soft pastels such as light pink, baby blue, mint green, pale yellow, and lavender instantly create a seasonal feeling. These colors reflect the beauty of blooming flowers and fresh beginnings. Simply changing small decorative accents like cushions, table runners, or vases to these tones can completely transform the mood of a room. Another important benefit of Easter decorating is the emotional impact it has on the people living in the home. Decorations help create anticipation and excitement, especially for children, but adults enjoy it just as much. Walking into a decorated home can immediately lift the mood and remind everyone that a joyful celebration is approaching. It creates moments of connection within the family, because decorating is often something people do together. Preparing the house for Easter becomes part of the celebration itself. One of the most classic and beloved ideas in Easter decoration is the use of eggs. Eggs symbolize new life and renewal, which is exactly what this season represents. You can decorate eggs in many different ways depending on your style. Some people prefer traditional painted eggs with bright colors and playful patterns, while others choose a more elegant approach using neutral tones, gold accents, or delicate floral designs. Decorative eggs placed in glass bowls, baskets, or trays instantly become beautiful centerpieces that attract attention without requiring a large budget. Another wonderful decorative element is the use of Easter baskets. While baskets are often associated with gifts and chocolate, they also work beautifully as decorative pieces. A basket filled with artificial grass, decorated eggs, flowers, and small figurines can be placed on a dining table, a coffee table, or even on an entryway console. This simple arrangement creates a charming seasonal display that feels festive but still elegant. Flowers are also essential when it comes to Easter decoration. Since Easter happens during the spring season, incorporating fresh or artificial flowers is one of the easiest ways to capture the spirit of the holiday. Flowers such as tulips, daisies, lilies, and daffodils are particularly popular. A vase filled with colorful spring flowers instantly brightens a room and adds natural beauty to the environment. Even small arrangements placed in different parts of the house can make a big visual impact. Another idea that many people love is decorating the dining table. Easter meals often bring family and friends together, so the table becomes an important focal point of the celebration. A beautiful table setting can include pastel tablecloths, decorative napkins, candles, flowers, and themed centerpieces. Small decorative eggs placed next to each plate or bunny-shaped napkin holders can add playful details that make the table feel special and carefully prepared. Speaking of bunnies, the Easter bunny is another iconic decorative symbol. Bunny figurines, cushions, wall art, or table decorations help create a fun and cheerful atmosphere. These pieces can range from cute and playful designs to more sophisticated decorative sculptures, depending on the style of the home. Even a small bunny figure placed on a shelf or side table can instantly bring a festive touch to the space. Front door and entryway decorations are also incredibly important. The entrance of a home is the first thing guests see, so adding Easter touches there helps set the tone for the entire house. One of the most popular ideas is an Easter wreath made with flowers, pastel ribbons, small eggs, or bunny ornaments. A wreath instantly communicates that the home is celebrating the season and welcoming visitors with warmth and creativity. Another wonderful advantage of Easter decorating is that it does not need to be expensive. Many beautiful decorations can be created using simple DIY ideas. For example, glass jars can be filled with pastel candies or decorative eggs to create charming displays. Mason jars painted in soft colors can become vases for spring flowers. Even simple branches placed in a vase and decorated with hanging eggs can create an elegant Easter tree that looks unique and artistic. Decorating outdoor spaces is also a fantastic idea. If you have a porch, balcony, or small garden, adding Easter decorations outside helps extend the festive feeling beyond the interior of the home. Flower pots with colorful blooms, decorative lanterns, Easter signs, or small garden figurines can transform an outdoor space into a cheerful spring corner where people enjoy spending time. Lighting also plays a subtle but important role in Easter decoration. Soft lighting creates warmth and highlights decorative elements. Candles, fairy lights, or lanterns placed around the home add a cozy atmosphere, especially during evening gatherings. When combined with pastel decorations and flowers, warm lighting helps create a magical and inviting environment. Another important tip when decorating for Easter is balance. It is easy to become excited and add too many decorative elements, but sometimes the most beautiful spaces are the ones that feel light and harmonious. Choosing a color palette and repeating certain elements throughout the home can help create a cohesive look. For example, if you decide to use pastel pink and yellow as your main colors, try to repeat those tones in flowers, table decor, cushions, and small decorative pieces. Textures also make a big difference in Easter decorating. Natural materials such as wood, wicker, linen, and ceramic complement the spring theme perfectly. A wicker basket filled with flowers or eggs looks natural and charming. Linen tablecloths and napkins add elegance while maintaining a relaxed seasonal feel. One of the greatest benefits of decorating for Easter is the sense of renewal it brings to the home. It encourages people to refresh their spaces, remove heavy winter decorations, and introduce lighter and brighter elements. This process often inspires people to clean, reorganize, and rethink their home environment, making the entire house feel refreshed and full of life. Another beautiful aspect of decorating for Easter is that it encourages creativity and personal expression. Every home has its own personality, and Easter decorations allow people to show their style in fun and meaningful ways. Some prefer a rustic farmhouse look with wooden elements, wicker baskets, and neutral colors, while others enjoy a more playful and colorful atmosphere filled with bright pastels, patterned eggs, and cheerful figurines. The great advantage of Easter decorating is that there are no strict rules. You can adapt the decorations to match the style of your home, whether it is modern, classic, minimalist, or traditional. Many people also love creating themed decorative corners inside the house. Instead of spreading decorations randomly, you can design small focal areas that capture attention. For example, a coffee table can become a seasonal display with a tray that holds candles, flowers, and decorated eggs. A console table near the entrance can feature a basket with spring flowers and a few bunny figurines. These small decorative scenes create visual interest and make the home feel thoughtfully prepared for the season. In the end, Easter decorating is not just about aesthetics. It is about creating an atmosphere that celebrates joy, hope, and togetherness. Whether you choose simple decorations or elaborate displays, what truly matters is the feeling they bring into your home. Even small details like a bowl of decorated eggs, a vase of spring flowers, or a cheerful wreath on the door can remind everyone that this is a special season worth celebrating. When a home is decorated with care and creativity for Easter, it becomes more than just a living space. It becomes a place where memories are created, traditions continue, and the beauty of the season is shared with everyone who walks through the door.